Let's go for the third method, pop method. In this, we are going to initialize our dictionary and then they change our keys in the dictionary using a pop method for it and the output. What it does is we are going to replace the akshat with the jamin that and after that the akshat get deleted pop out as we have seen in our stack, and it adds a jamin which is having the same value for it at the last, which is as you can see in our output. A lot of students get really mistakes in our changing in the keys, that is they replace the one which you have to replace with and replace it with another one, that is they write here the name of an akshat rather than the jamin, and here jamin rather than the akshat, which is very confusing for it. So remember it like the key which you have to replace to the key which you want to replace with. That's why it gets really better for acknowledging you all.